At this exact moment, physics meets engineering on the runway. Tons of metal rely on these massive rubber tires to ensure a safe arrival. At the precise moment of touchdown, the tire accelerates from 0 to cinematic velocity. The Boeing 777 is a marvel of engineering. Its massive landing gear distributes hundreds of tons across these wheels. Side by side, the physical difference is obvious. An aircraft tire supports nearly 40 times the load of a standard car tire.
Precision is vital in aviation manufacturing. Every layer is inspected to guarantee safety. Placement of reinforced material must be flawless.
We are pushing this tire to its absolute physical limits. At this speed, the internal heat can exceed 100 degrees.
Inside this facility, aviation tires are pushed to their absolute limits. Engineers monitor real-time day and pressure. Every test ensures maximum safety on the runway. Aircraft tires are filled with pure nitrogen. This maintains stable pressure during extreme temperatures. From freezing flight to intense landing heat, it ensures safety and durability. Landing gear systems face extreme forces. All parameters are within normal limits, simulating hundreds of tons at touchdown.
Safety is paramount here. Every component is checked. Replacing these massive tires requires precision. The team ensures this bird is ready to fly.
Heat generated by friction is one of the biggest challenges. Heat generated by friction, one of the biggest challenges. Every layer has a specific job to keep the tire safe. Every layer has a specific job to keep the tire safe. Aircraft tires are manufactured with much stricter requirements than ordinary tires. They must work in heat, rain, ice, and thousands of landings. So what makes this simple-looking tire one of aviation's hidden engineering masterpieces?
Every single tire must withstand immense pressure. Precision is non-negotiable here.
Aircraft tires require exceptional raw materials. These reinforced fabric layers provide incredible strength. High tensile steel beads ensure maximum safety.
Inside this massive mixer, a precise blend of natural and synthetic rubber is combined. Monitor the temperature closely.
Each layer must be perfectly aligned.
At these pressures, ordinary rubber simply won't suffice. This intricate weave of steel and aramid creates its immense strength.
Chamber operations are nominal.
The green tire enters the mold. Extreme heat and internal pressure force it outward. Vulcanization creates crosslinks, defining its final strength. A durable structure takes shape.
Precision is not just a standard, it's an absolute requirement. Every tire must pass microscopic
Inspection. We verify accuracy to the micrometer.
Commencing final inspection on batch 4. Applying specification markings now. Certification stamp recorded.
At first glance, it appears to be simple rubber. But this is a marvel of aerospace engineering, built to withstand extreme speeds and support massive loads on touchdown.
We are approaching peak velocity. Hold it there, data looks stable.
Here, temperatures on the tarmac can exceed Glendale's worst summers. To pass, this aircraft tire must withstand over 200 degrees. Any failure here could be catastrophic.
Deflection levels are within tolerance. Tires certified for commercial use.
Heavy aircraft rely on multiple wheels to distribute their massive weight. This prevents excessive pivoting. Bogey beam allows to share the load evenly. This ensures safety and stability during landing.
Cross-checking pressure on tire number 2.
We will maintain standard landing configuration.
Monitoring auto brake and speed.
Heavy Flight 240 is cleared for departure.
A delicate balance of thrust and lift. Into the morning sky.